from the north. You were living in the north, and two of you have problem. Two of you have problem in the north, and two of you are not together for long. You love your children. You love your children. You love that your husband. Your husband was not a bad man. You are not a bad woman. But there was a quarrel. Two of you separated. But somehow, somewhere, somebody put something somewhere that two of you will never come back again. That two of you will never come together. Sometimes, whenever you remember to go back to your husband, you will be discouraged. Sometimes, when he remembers to call you, he will be discouraged. And your children are growing without you. Your children are growing without you. Who is that woman? Open your two hands. Why do I see somebody walking into your life and bring sorrow and death in your life? 1, 2, 3. 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3. How many children do you have?
3 children.
May you not have pain. There is somebody that will walk into your life and is to bring pain. I don't want you to die. Bring her close. I want to give a message now. May you not die. Be careful of somebody that will walk like angel of light, but is angel of Satan. You are Chinenye?
Yes, sir.
So why didn't you come out when others were coming out? May pain never come. I see you crying. I see you crying. May God intervene in your family case. I see you crying. When I mentioned that prophecy, what name did I mention? Today, God is going to delete from your life whatever that will bring pain in your life. Amen. I see you crying. You have to be careful. Be careful. Be careful. How many years have you been away from your children? 7 years. May the Lord intervene in your case. And may you not die. I see somebody walking into your life that will bring pain. May the Lord resolve anybody moving this matter to continue to expand. Anybody fueling this crisis spiritual, let that person die.
Amen.
May the Lord intervene. Allah, in the name of J-E-S-U.